It's the biggest single day ever fall that you have seen coming in for the rupee. 3.7% has been unheard of in a day, and you only have like a couple of hours that you have traded in case of the rupee. The point that the markets are talking about now is that as the rupee continues to decline, the decline is only getting intensified on the lower side. We weren't falling a rupee on a daily basis or 2 rupees on a daily basis. Today, in the first 2 hours of the trade itself, you are 2.5 rupees on the lower side. The biggest daily fall, as I said, ever that you have seen recorded in any currency, especially the Indian rupee as well. It's down now 7.5% in this week, and it is down more than 13% for the month of August as well. The worst performing currency in Asia, the worst performing currency in emerging markets, the worst performing currency actually today in the global markets as well as how that one is trading in the markets. You have seen everything work negative in case of the currency there. To start with, the Fed tapering is something that was bothering the high CAD numbers, the lower growth, the high inflation, the crude oil prices now trading at an 18-month high, the food security bill, and also most of the emerging market currencies also have been declining nearly 1 to 2% on a daily basis. Today also, if you look at the rupiah or a Malaysian ringgit or a Philippine peso, it's down more than 1% on the lower side. So that really is impacting the other Asian currencies, including the rupee as well. As you were talking, Neeraj, take a look at the equity markets, the kind of declines that we are seeing there, the concerns about FI outflows, that's another thing that is impacting the rupee. Having said that, when you talk about the levels, really nobody's coming out and talking about them. We are trading at 69 already, 70 is the next level, and nobody really has talked about levels beyond 70. So the market is feeling that after this carnage is done, perhaps at around $70 or 70 rupees to a dollar, you might see some consolidation or a big intervention coming in from RBI. That is something that the markets also seem to be expecting right now.